All right, guys, welcome back. My name is Steve with LRM. Today we're in the shop. As you can see, it's super busy and loud. What I want to talk about is you guys having your truck and some of the basic things for you guys to save money as your owner, operator, or even business owner that owns a truck. Some of the small things will save you a lot of money, believe it or not. But before we get started, guys, you got to talk about hitting those like buttons. All the content I throw your way, don't forget to hit the like button. If you guys want some more information or you have questions, leave me a message at the bottom. And guys, subscribe. And then you can see this beautiful mug almost every other time when I put something out there. I need friends, help. All right, let's get into it. Like I said, right, when you own a truck, you guys gotta save money, especially as an owner operator. You know, when you go into the shop, you know, you hear that minimum fee, it could be 1 hour to 2. Just remember that minimum is whatever the dollar rate of that shop is. It could be 120 or it could be 200 like the dealerships, just saying. But for you guys to save money and do it yourselves is where it's gonna help, right? Because you don't wanna go to the dealership for belts, right? You don't wanna go there. Something that's gonna take them, especially an experienced mechanic, 10 to 20 minutes to put it on, and you just got charged with that shop minimum, something that you guys can do. And speaking of belts, I dropped the link, right, where I've done belts for you guys. Now, if you see a configuration that I haven't done, leave me a comment and I will find the truck with the engine and show you how to route the belt. Next thing, right? The biggest one is the hubcap oil leak or the axle gasket leak, right? Guys, I did videos on that. This will save you money. It's not that hard. A little bit of time and you guys can get this done under an hour and save you money. So just keep that in mind. Watch my link and we can save money. They are all pretty much universal, from Freightliners to Internationals to Volvos, the Max, and so on, all right? Even your trailer. Next thing is batteries, right? Especially when winter rolls around, the batteries are dying, and you guys don't wanna do it, you guys can do the batteries yourself. I have a link out for that. You guys can replace it, it's not that hard. You're gonna have to use a little bit of muscle and use some tools, 9/16 and probably a 5/8 wrench or socket. But I did leave all the details in that video of what tools you're gonna need. And that is same is universal across all the trucks. Air leaks, especially the simple ones, right? We've done a video on that as well. Once you find the air leak, you see the bad section, you can cut it and put a union. Union should be something that you guys carry in your truck. They're small, tiny. Keep a bag of an assortment, right? I would keep to a quarter up to a 5/8 union and then keep those in the truck. And guess what? You save yourself so much money doing it yourself. So air leaks, just keep that in mind, all right? Next one, right? I think we have anything that's could save you money would be like replacing certain filters, you know, fuel filters, right? Pour out the fuel at the bottom, put the filter in, grab some fresh fuel, prime your truck, save yourself some money and you're back on the road. 1, you don't have to wait for the shop. 2, you can do it yourself. 3, you don't have to pay for the shop minimum for a technician that will take him 5 to 10 minutes to do what you guys can do. Not only that, more you know about your truck, better off you'll be, because then you'll know if you hear a hiccup or a noise or a pinging noise, you will know that it's making something different than you did before. You can try to diagnose the truck and help the mechanic in the position where you can't go and say what's going on. It doesn't feel right. So those are the things that I have that will save you guys money, which we left videos for you. Please rewatch them. And if you don't see what I don't have on the videos and you can't find it, guys, leave a message at the bottom. We will make it or talk about it. Anything we can do to save you money. And again, if you guys have any questions or something I may be missing, leave me a comment at the bottom. If you like this video, don't forget to pound that like button. And guys, subscribe. I'm here to save you money.